How to dash in Parkour Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll teach you guys on how to dash in Parkour Roblox. So it's a simple process, so follow along. I'll demonstrate some basic dashes that are easy to learn and useful for the city exploration in the Parkour bus. These tips are mainly for beginners like me, so you can pick them up really quickly. First of all, there is a technique shown in the tutorial that is sprint towards a ledge. Press Q and space to perform a charge jump. This move helps you cover the large gaps easily. Approach the ledge, press Q and space to make the jump, as demonstrated, and even from the lower height you can still make the jump. Approach the ledge, press Q and space, then shift to land safely. Next, I'll show you a slightly tricky move, that is the double wall jump. Run towards a wall, perform a wall jump by pressing space, then quickly turn around to do another wall jump on the same wall. This move gives you extra height and speed. With quick mouse or touchpad movements, you can easily perform it. Repeat the process on the same wall for the added height and speed, and it's a simple yet satisfying move to master. So this was all about how to dash in Parkour in Roblox. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.